doing Godot, some delicious Godot, and continuing to upgrade my integration thingy. Yeah, my Twitch integration thingy, and that should be bulk. And close live chat. Okay, YouTube is up. I'll put it away now. Away. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, what I actually want to do. Well, actually, I want to do both. So I don't know what I'm saying. What I'm keen to do is to use some new like shady shenanigans with Bevy, but I wanna do this Godot thing first and see how we go. See how we go. Yeah, that's the fimsh thing. I don't care about that. Nice. Okay, let's see if I can get started with this, cause like, holy. I wonder if my Z is gonna die again. Yeah, it's dead. For some reason, like when the first time I load Z, it like doesn't allow inputs anymore. Like I start it and then it's like no input. Input consumed, input nowhere. And I'm like, oh no. Oh no. Okay, so I think we're good. Wait. Can I type? I can type. Okay. Uh-oh. My main screen does not have the overlay. Wait, yes it does. It doesn't have my screen. Wait, I think that's it. Are we here? Yeah, look at that. Look at that pog. We made it. Streaming. Oh man, my tea. I'm disappointed. My tea. I'm probably I'll probably die. If I have that tea, I'll probably be dead. Oh no. We can't have that happen. Who's gonna maintain my library? Wait, so yeah, so I've been updating the main Twitch integration library for some POG things, and I've been trying to get do I want to release this? I do want to build and release this. I've been updating the Godot so that we can have some delicious Godot stuff. Because basically, yeah, we want some updated and functional Godot stuff, and I already said that, so repeating. But currently, I'm trying to get it up to the functionality that we had previously, and then I'll update the Godot Rust library, and then we can do some async. Scary, I know, scary, but it's actually going to be beneficial for once. Actually beneficial, I know. It's unheard of. What am I looking for? Godot. Right. I'm gonna get some Godot. Gonna open some Godot. Downloads. Godot. I still only have 4.3, but that's okay. When I update actual Godot, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this should be linked to the builds that I just built here of the Twitch API. So if I click play, is there a way to make this bigger? Oh yeah, look at that. It's big. Okay, so we do need to send a message at some point. Can I just do it on key press? On key press is probably easiest to test it. So how do we do that? If I go F1, right? That's documents. We go keys. Is it keys? It might be keys. Function keys. No. And this is dictionary keys. That's not what we want. How do I close this? Input. Input. Action pressed. Mouse mode. Accumulate input. Access. Gravity. Get joy. Oh, for Joy-Con. Is action pressed? Action. Okay, so I think we have to make an action by the looks of it. Is action pressed? Yeah. Okay. So we need to go project settings, I think, because input map, add a new action, and this will be send chat message question mark, and we go add dead zone. Is this not it? Oh, listening for input keys. Can we make it like W? Can I filter inputs by W? Yeah, W. Okay. Send chat message W. Oh yeah, nice. Poke. Okay, so then is action pressed. So this one. We go copy main. So instead of this whole like false true thing, we go if is action pressed. Do I need brackets? I don't remember if I need brackets. Is action pressed, and the action is send chat message, and then we get the node and send the chat message, and that's it. It looks like I do need brackets for this lowly if statement. No. Function is action just pressed, not found in base self. Is it like input dot input? Wait, do I need to have it be? Can I F1 this specifically? No. Action pressed. Is action pressed? Returns true, blah, 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 exact match. Ignores additional input modifiers, that's fine. Due to keyboard ghosting, may return false, that's fine. Input examples. Let's have a look. Oh, wait, can I just paste this in instead of having it part of the process? We just go event is input key and event dot pressed and t key equals W. And then here we go like this. Oh, yeah, that seems to work. Oh, well, yeah. Wait, so if I click play, okay, it's giving me this. Now, is it actually set? That's the question. So if we open this up and we go inspector, broadcast is fine, localhost is fine, secrets for the file name is fine. Early stream today, it is, yeah. Yeah, I got oops, what was this? Sorry, I gotta check what happened here. Someone called me. Sorry. Yeah, I gotta like for my I have to wait for this thing to build today for work, and I was like, yo, can I just do 5 hours later? And they're like, yeah. And so I gotta come home early and stream early. It is Pog. It is Pog. What was I doing? Oh right, we were checking. Actually, where is this? Reveal in file manager. Oh yeah, here we are. Yeah, we have .secrets env, but this was edited last month. Today, events log. Okay, so it's not creating the file, or it hasn't created the file. There is a file here. Hello, Peppa. Welcome in. Let me just do this real quick. I need to open the secrets to make sure it has the right data. Okay, I'm gonna put that off screen and then we're gonna bring everything back. Boop. So it seems to be correctly formatted, although it might be missing something. Interesting. Okay, so it should technically be picking this up and then being like, yo, it's actually fine, and it's not. Okay, so what exactly are we doing here? Nothing. Okay, so this is a Rust error, a Rust little issue in the Godot. So we go Godot source library. So how do we begin? Because we have it on ready. You have to get ready for work now, though. You must be off. All good. Have a good work. I hope you get the work and it's not too stressful and also not too boring. Both extremes, not fun. Thanks for popping in. Yeah, there's a fimsh. Okay, so when we start this, so where is it exactly? Moderators, custom rewards, send announcement. Right, a lot of these signals we can make better in the future, but that's okay. What's this? Create secrets. Hide show, help info, that's fine. Create pop-up. This is all the UI stuff. Okay, I think okay, hang on. I'm getting ahead of myself because I think we need to make some changes to the token builder. Okay, start Twitch events. So this is when we try to start Twitch events. Okay, so here. This would be .secrets.env. So what if I have this print out the token builder, and then we'll go from here. Because if so, I'm gonna have to show this off screen, but I want to see if it's actually loading the right file. It doesn't have debug. Why does it not have debug? Derive debug. I mean, we should just make it implement display, but oh well. Oh well. Because I do have the Godot terminal on another monitor. That's good. Because basically once this finishes, we'll reload and go again. And go again. Okay, so now if I click play. Okay, so it does have the right env. It doesn't tell me if it loads the keys properly. Okay, so this part's good. Build only. Oh, we can debug the token. Right? I've been doing too much Go. I forgot the semicolon. Parag, hello. It's 4 a.m. You're going to sleep after playing very long for mental relaxation reasons. Nice. Wish you all a good night. Well, good. Thank you for popping in, Very. It's nice to see you. I hope you have a nice sleep, and I hope the relaxation stuff was pog. Reload. And then we click play. Okay, so it doesn't have any of the IDs and stuff. Okay, so build from env only is failing. Okay, file clone, overwrite URL, that's fine. Okay, here, this is where it's breaking, I think. env handler load env. They all get mad? Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm learning German. Well, we probably already know that. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Wait, I think this function here is failing. Let's debug env file. Because I think this is what's happening. No env prank called. It's not showing. If we just put the error there and we just slap the error here. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun. I've been enjoying it so far. My grammar sucks though, holy. But it's calling all good. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep. Okay, that built, so we'll refresh Godot again. Reload. Wait, now we click play. Yeah, so dot secrets dot env, that's the correct env. But, okay, but. So it's coming here, but these aren't being loaded correctly because it's unwrap or string new. And so let me check. What is the difference between this and my actual secret CNV? Oh yeah, so it's not set. Oh yeah, this is fine. So it's not set correctly. So all of these are showing up empty. Okay. So if they're showing up empty, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up with correct information. So let me just copy. I mean, I guess it's fine to show this, but that's okay. I'm just putting my client ID in and client secret, and we clicked OK. And now there's nothing. But if I press W, Kip, hello, hi. Oh yeah, this is not doing anything. I'm not getting any output either. That's kind of rough. Okay, so if I run it again, did it actually save? No, it didn't save anything. Because the file already exists? No, it can't be. It can't be. Okay, so let's walk through it. So we get the token here. We do self.token. If client ID is empty, we create this pop-up. It's been a while since you tuned in. Work got you back in the office. Oh no, that's okay. We all get busy and in situations where we can't do the things we want to do. But yeah, that sucks a little bit. I hate being in the office. My god. Good luck with that. Well, like, yeah. I don't know. Sorry, I need to plug in my phone. That's fine. I've been busy too anyway. Okay, so at here it thinks it's empty because it is empty, and we create a pop-up. Okay, and then we return. Okay, so how does this work? We have this pop-up, it does the things. How do we get to accept? I'm glad you tune in now. Yeah, it's a very rare early owl stream. Yep. Sadly, I won't be able to do this time very often. You're doing a look because your brain no code good. That's okay. That's okay. I have to do some cool like shader stuff later. That'll be fun to see. Because I wanna upgrade my snow I want to make like a proper like snow physics kind of engine deal thing. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. Because it would be cool to like have snow that looks like snow, one, and then two, like have it occasionally like build up and stuff. Maybe it like builds a snowman or something. That would be sick. I don't know if like how plausible that is, but you know, cool things. Okay, so what happens when we click OK? Add child VBox, the visual error, grid container. Oh, need help button, redirect, console layer. I don't remember how buttons work. Label, aspect ratio, that thing, this thing. Oh, connect pressed to show hide help info on need help. Okay, we don't care about that. Here what? Oh, here we are. Create secrets. Right, callable create secrets. Okay. Create secrets. Okay, this is what happens. So we grab these fields. Oh, so this is why it's not working. Okay. All right. So we don't care. So we do care about new ID and secret. These other ones, I will set them up. But otherwise, yeah, we need to get rid of these because these don't matter anymore. If new ID is empty, so if they're all empty, yeah, if both of those are empty, we recreate it. That's fine. Yeah, okay, so this is the old way of saving the secrets file. So let me get rid of this. Wait, do we have tokens? We do have tokens, so here we go. Self.token handler dot client ID is equal to new client ID. Self.token.client secret is equal to new client secret. And then this should be toString, I believe. Yeah. I don't know why there's an I there. Okay, so now we need to save it. So does it have a save? Yeah, we do. The env file. So this is where we yoink this. And we paste it here. There we go. So that should save our client ID in secret, which is good. Redirect URL. No. Okay. And then we try to start Twitch events again. Okay. There's a few problems here, like we don't set the broadcaster ID and stuff, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that. And now we wait. Reload. I had an idea. I had an idea. We make a whole nother object for tokens. Because that's kind of the point. Oh shit. I think we do. Okay, let's get this working before I start trying to do weird stuff. Okay, let me fill this out and then it should save it and we don't have to fill it out ever again. Copy. Okay. All right, so it worked, but it had some extra information in it, which is not good. So let me just close this. X close. Let me run it again. Oh yeah, look at this. Authorize. Did that work? No env file called .user token. Okay. All right. Nice. So I think that worked. So I think there's another step we have to do. Why did that have extra data? I'll work it out later. So wait. So if I run it again, it will, yeah, it will do this, which is what it should do, but it's dying currently. Okay, so right, so please input your access token. Access token. Oh, hang on, let's run this again. Oh, okay. How do I do this then? So, okay, I know what's going on. Well, I believe I know what's going on. So, you know what? Create pop-up. Yeah, so here, build from env, we did that. This is fine. If that's empty, we do it again. That's fine. This is good. Okay, generate user tokens. This is where it's failing. Generate user tokens. So load user env. Yeah, so this is what's happening. What's breaking? I think. When are we saying there's no user token? Is it inside of here? No env file. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So that is what's happening. Okay. So what happens after that? So generate user token. This is going here and then it's going none. And then we try to do this even if this is none. Okay, that's a problem. That's the problem, because if there is nothing here, we need to create it. Oh no, it's this. It's but open browse true, prompt user is false. It's prompting user though. Let's go here. So prompt user. So where are we hitting? So please input your access token. This one? Oh yeah, I know what I need to do. I need to decouple the prompts. Manual code input. Open browser manual code input. Okay, this is far too complicated for what it needs to be. Yeah, here. So manual code input is true instead of false. It should be false. It should be false when we do this. So we go here. That's nothing. We go here. Not implicit flow. Not this. This should be false. Why is it not false? If prompt uses true. Right, so this should be false. I think that's where it's going wrong. So let's build that. Let's build it. And then reload. Okay, then we click play. And then we go authorize. Like here. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. W. Yeah, okay, it did die. So it died at Twitch node ready failed. Okay, let me just stop this. And it says panic, Twitch API error, invalid, OAuth token size 400, invalid usernames, emails, IDs, bad identifiers. Okay. Yo. Braver Raver, welcome in. How do we... So does that mean, did it actually get the user token? It did create it. Okay, yeah, the user token is there now. Pog. Howdy. Hello. Yeah, that's fimsh. Brave Traveler. Ah, I see. Clearly my lead speakers are lacking. I can't read numbers anymore. Oh no. Okay, so at what point would this fail? It says it failed at the library at 1074. Is that of Godot? 1047? 1047. Oh, here. Oh, right, this. Yeah, okay. That makes sense, because we had it fail if it fails at all, for any reason. Okay, so it's giving us the status 400, invalid usernames and stuff. Okay. That's here, just broadcast a username. Build. Okay, so if we go here. Yeah, so it's all part of this new function. So at what point can it return a invalid OAuth token? Broadcaster username. It says invalid usernames, emails, or IDs. Okay, so presumably we have this, and the username is... Are we not passing that in correctly? Self.broadcast username to string. That's what we have set here, right? Yeah, Owlkaline VT. That is fine. Okay, maybe it's not this then. Maybe this is fine. Let's I guess we don't know really. Deserialization error from string OK uses. User data. Okay, so this would be a deserialization error, but if it fails here, it will be a different error. We're gonna get users. That's not what I wanted. Let's just close all. Close all. New. Wait, do we call get users ever again? Invalid broadcaster. It doesn't look like it. We might though. No, we don't. Wait, so it must be breaking right here. Twitch ID and broadcaster. Let me debug both, print both of these out. Make sure they are like valid values. Broadcaster's username. Because yeah, what should it be? It should be a vector of IDs with a vector of logins. Oh, I should rename this to login then, so it's accurate. This one is login. Login. Okay, cool. Let's try again. And then we reload. So what do we expect to happen? So we have the refresh token. So I guess we are expecting to see the same error if it's not fixed, which I don't think it is. So we're going to see what the, yeah. Yep. Just reload this. Click the play button. Okay, so Twitch ID and user ID are different. Okay. That is interesting because they shouldn't be different. But anyway, we can add this little error in. So your error. This is a invalid OAuth. Invalid OAuth token. This is error. Yeah, print ln. Let's have a panic still. Panic. Let's go if error dot contains different. I should make this a better error anyway. This one is Twitch ID doesn't match. Twitch ID doesn't match. User ID, token user ID. This. Let me pass an E. We get otherwise we will just panic. And we'll just pass an E. Just like that. Why is this wrong? Oh, because it has to be a Twitch API. Cute detected? What? Yeah, I think you mean cute detected in chat. You're right about that part. Yep. Why is this wrong? This is a event sub error. Oh, event sub error. Twitch API error. Kunis has been detected on stream. Oh, it just spiked. Fair enough. Fair enough. Move condition to matching guard. Oh yeah, that's fine. What's wrong with this though? Oh, this is this specifically should be Twitch API error. This one can go on. But it actually died in a different place this time, so it was 898. Oh, it was when we were unwrapping this. So this returned the Twitch API error. I'm coding a Twitch clone in Rust. No. This is all for interacting with and integrating the Twitch event sub as well as like Twitch IRC stuff. So it's just like super easy for you to do what you need to do. So like it's in Rust, so it's usable in Rust, and we're just updating the Godot side, as well as updating the Godot side, because like for Godot, your one option for Twitch integration is like gift, and gift is painful. It's painful. So to make it not painful, with my library, you just add the Twitch node here, and then you have a bunch of subscriptions you can turn on and off that you want. And there's just some like extra bonus values here, and then it handles everything for you. And then you just connect up signals for the functions, and then you're done. Then you're done, and you can send chat messages as well. Because like here we're like this will be a chat message plus all of the information, plus some extra information, in fact. But yeah, we also have access to all the API calls as well, hence send chat message. So yeah, I'm not making a Twitch clone in Rust. That is incorrect, but that would be, I guess, interesting. But like lots of Twitch you would have is mostly server stuff. Mostly server stuff. Okay, so Twitch API println. This is fine. Wait, this is what's happening. Okay, so Twitch client ID is not equal to this. Oh, is this because it's never set? Is it never set? I think it's never set. I think that's what's happening here. If we go debug partial tokens, save, run, or build. I'm pretty sure it's failing because this Twitch ID is never set. I could be wrong though. Oh, I didn't compile. Yo, how did I break it? How did I break it? Where is it broken? Here? Cannot find value in scope. Oh, it's just error. Nice. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, that's built. Let's refresh this project, reload, and then run it again. See what's going on. You run. Yeah, so the client Twitch ID is empty. So we never filled that. We need to fill that. So what are we doing? We are building it from env, and then we're getting the client secret here, generate user tokens. Yeah, so I think part of this should be getting the user themselves. Because yeah, we get the user ID here. So yeah, so I think we just get rid of this check entirely. Because this will be the token user ID, which is the client ID. Okay, so I think we just get rid of this entirely. So this becomes partial tokens dot user ID. Wait, this seems wrong. Client Twitch ID. This is equal to user ID, just like that. And then yeah, we do return partial tokens. That's fine. Oh, right. I think what this was trying to do is if you already have an env, oh, that's fine. It's whatever. Then what's this? Get user. Right, so if it works here, then we return it with an updated user ID. If it doesn't, we get new refresh tokens and all that. And prompt users false, open browsers true. Okay. We update these. Oh, once we have these, actually, we do need to do this again. Paste. And we get partial tokens dot say. Do we have the env file? Is that known? Is it part of partial tokens? Env file. No, it's not known. Yeah, okay, pog. Let's build that now. I'll have to make sure this still works on the Rust side, but I guess we'll get to it in a second. I do want to simplify this whole process a lot more. It's a lot of back and forth brain stuff currently, and that's not fun. Not fun. Okay, reload this. Press play. All right, so we go. Wait, it has my subscription stuff now. Authorize. Redirect. That's fine. Does that mean it worked? It says it's connected, so if I press W. Yeah, like that. Yo, it worked. Okay, so that's Poggies. That is Poggies. Okay, time to commit this so that there's at least some level of working. So we're gonna get status on master for Godot. CD get status. So get Twitch event sub. Add. Yeah, get Twitch event sub Godot. Add Twitch event sub tokens, pick commits, Godot starting to work again. Control X, Y, push. Oh, I need to pull, get pull. Test message received. It was received. It's very exciting. Get push. All right. All right. Now time to simplify all of this. So currently the problem is, we have to go through a lot of shenanigans for something simple in the code side, because like we have to do this token builder and then keep a reference of it even after build from env only, and then use it again down here to generate user tokens, and then after that we do the rest of the stuff. And we kind of want to make it simple, like all in one kind of deal. Hello, Az. Hello. Oh yeah, look at that. It did pop up in yep. So yeah, nice. It is working. Okay, so there's a few problems, I think. So if I delete, yeah, okay, there is a few problems to address. Just trying to work out where to start. I think we start with the tokens, because we don't really have a nice way to go through it. And currently it's like half and half. It's like halfway there, halfway not there. Is this the tokens library? It is, but we need the builder. So essentially we need to separate the builder into two sections, one where it prompts, one where it does not prompt, and then have everything be like nice little functions with errors that are nice as well. And yeah, how will we go about doing this? Because basically we want this build one, but like it'll be carb fn build no prompts. Well, here we go, no prompts. I wonder if this will be possible. Because yeah, we create the token handler. Build from env only. We get tokens. If it doesn't exist, this is a prompt here. So if it doesn't exist, it'd be nice if I had a function that said, give me some class that you use to request and store credentials with, and you can give it to one of the prompts that uses the file system. Yeah, so so yeah, so what my plan is once I get there is instead of how it's held now, where we have like it's behind my head, the file name of the env here, and then also the broadcaster name and the redirect URL here. I want to move this, as you said, into its own object. Oh, we got ads. We got ads on your into its own object that you can like either craft in code or as an object here. And then in here, you'll have like token file, I think. And then you'll like do a reference to it. Although what happens if there is no token file? Do we just say create a token file and put a reference to it? Or is there some way that we can force create it and then also give all the prompts and then it will just do that each time? Okay, yeah, I'll do that in a bit because I need to go through and well, we have it working though. Maybe it'll be simpler once we. Okay, good. I need to. Okay, we have it working, which is good. Okay, this first thing. If I delete all of the secrets and we go through the whole process again, does it still work? So let me just delete these. Wait, now we run this. We grab this. And then we grab this. And then we go, okay. Yep, so this one is for just confirming they work. That's fine. And then this one is the actual permissions. Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, and then we got a little notification that says it's connected. Bug. Sick. Yeah, it did come through. It did come through. You're exhausted. Good night. Good night, EXO. Thank you. I need the toilet. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go to the toilet really quick right now. BRB. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Yeah, so I can close this. That's fine. Wait, so that works. That is good. It is very good. Oh yeah, Godot. Yes, okay, so how exactly do I want this to work? Because basically, I guess an example of let's do an example of how I want this to work. So if we have pubfn build example and not itself and this returns a result of token handler with token builder error. I think this is how it's going to work. So for now, it'll just be like, okay, I know that's going to be angry with that, but that's okay. Anim token builder error. What are our errors? Client ID not set, secret key. client secret not set. What else is there? Interesting. I can't spell client. Client ID not set, client secret not set. When we're building it. Oh, right. Redirect URL incorrect. I think that's one. And also broadcaster. There's something wrong with the broadcaster. I don't know the broadcaster one actually, so do we just get rid of? I think we just get rid of broadcaster for now because it is important, but not at the moment. So we go save. So we go let mut token is equal to token handler new, and at the very end we'll go okay token. Wait, so basically we want to go load from env, and it will be like if maybe it's called like env loader. Yeah, so your env handler load env. Yeah, load env. We get the env file from here. This returns an option of string. If let sum client ID, client secret. I don't know what the last two strings are. Redirect URL and Twitch ID. Let's do. I don't think we need Twitch ID anymore. Oz, hello. Redirect URL. Wait, why would I not need redirect URL? No, Twitch client ID. Yeah, we don't need this. Save. That's fine. This returns 3 of them now. Okay, so we go if let sum client ID is equal to client ID. Here we go, token dot client ID is equal to client ID. Otherwise, we go return error, token build error, client ID not set. And we do the same for the secret. Client secret. Yo, Oz, you should watch Freeman. Have you seen Freeman? You definitely should watch Freeman. It's so good. Client secret. And then here, client secret not set. Perfect. Oh, this is not quite perfect. It's close to perfect. Why is this being weird? Oh. Why are we unwrapping all? You did recently? It was really good. Nice. I'm not done yet. But it should be. I'm still going through it. It's really good so far though. This will be token builder error. And then a tuple of option string option string option string. Well, actually, you started watching it when only the first 10 episodes were out in Japan? Oh, nice. You're an early one. Impact is really good. It is. Yeah, I'm up to like episode 16 or something now. It's like reading a book. It's just so like good. It's occupied the book part of my brain. Wait, what I'm gonna do actually is, what if we pass in token here? Token handler. And then the results, and this will be yeah. Because then what we can do is, if we just do this, if client ID dot is none, you return error Twitch, no, not Twitch, token builder error client ID dot set. If client's secret is none, then we do the same, return error token builder error client secret not set. If not client redirect URL, yeah, is none, return error token builder error redirect is incorrect. We also finished this watching a silly rom-com called Witch Watch. Yeah, nice. That sounds funny. This just returns okay, but here we go. Token dot client ID is equal to client ID dot unwrap. And we just do this for the secret as well. Secret. Redirect URL. Redirect URL. Save. That's fine. This is token builder. Yeah. No env file. Env file doesn't exist. Save. So here we go. Error. Token builder error. env file doesn't exist. Save. We don't specifically care what error it was. It just doesn't exist in that case. Then we come back to builder. There's our build example here. So instead of all of this shenanigans, we have our token. And then we go env handler, load env. Yeah, we pass in token. We'll pass in. Well, we should just pass in token actually. Because the env file is inside of token. So here we go, token dot user token env ls. This needs to be a reference. Does that break stuff down the line? It does not. Okay, so here we go load this token. Right, this should already be set. So actually this is self dot token. Do we have a token? The builder. Okay, the builder does not have a token, so we need to do this. Oops. We copy. So here we just go, oops, fn rate basic token. I think this is just an and self option of a token handler. Wait, this it doesn't need to be an option. We just return the token handler. We self.env file. Wait, I think this is fine. So build example, yeah, here. So we go self dot create basic token. So we go let mut token is equal to this. We pass the token into here. We go match this. So if the error is well, do we just pass this back? We just pass this back. So actually what we do here is we just question mark this. No token field on. Oh, right, this is not self.token, this is just token. Okay, so after that, that's like 3 of our errors. Hello, Azriel. Hi. Fimsh indeed. That handles our starting errors. And so now we need to get the broadcaster ID / verify that these are valid client IDs. So we go, we need the should also save it at some point. Redirect URL. Get token user ID. Yeah, this one. So here we go, paste, get token user ID, else, this is returning error, token builder error, invalid client ID or secret. We'll have to get to that in a second. This is token, yeah, the token dot client which ID is equal to user ID. Actually, can we do this yet? I don't think we can do this yet. We need to generate the keys, right? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. That's cool though. that a function that we have here? Yeah, generate user token from refresh token. No. How do we generate this? Load user token env. We should do this at some point, but that's okay. Get user token and refresh tokens. Okay, so we copy this. Well, where is this? This is in the builder. It's just a function by itself. Okay, let me get rid of this. Because we don't need that for now. ID secret redirect URL scopes. Open browse, then prompt user. Do we need to prompt the user? Does that have to happen here? No, this can happen elsewhere, so that is fine because we manual input. These ones need to know if get code, get refresh token. So manual input. No. Well, this does need to know if it's manual input or not, right? Because otherwise, well, if it's manual input, we don't care what the result is, and so doing this is fine. Okay. So we get rid of manual input here and here and here. And then what? So yeah, we don't need this. Is this the one we removed manual input? Yes. Manual input code. Please input your access token code here, otherwise it does this TCP thing. Oh, complicated. Manual code input. Well, there's a third option anyway. Okay, so what if I get rid of this? If automatically open the browser, this is fine. Manually input code. Because like both of these can happen outside of this function if I really wanted to. Yeah, so oops. If I just uncomment this out for now, because we'll need this just elsewhere. We go save. Contains HTTP, then redirect URL. So yeah, so we don't need this. If auto open browser, open this. This one's otherwise open that link, which is fine. Result string. I think we just go result brackets. And then we go okay, like this. Means we also don't redirect URL anymore. So here we get authorization flow. So we don't need the redirect URL. Get authorization. Grim, hello. Hello, hello. Right. Now this doesn't return a string anymore. So we just go, well, we still want to match it because if it's an error, it's an error. But if it's okay, then we need to do stuff to it, but that's okay. String. What do I open browser? I'm app to? Well, just Twitch integration with Godot. I'm updating it to be the latest version. Yo, what the? I got duplicated. Yo, illegal. Illegal. Yeah, I'm just updating this. I got it working, which was a big thing I didn't have working before with the newest version, so that's good. And now I'm just making the whole process a lot better. A whole lot better. Okay, so auto open browser. Yeah, okay, so auto open browser is a thing. Do I need to put like use terminal input? Well, like the point is like no, we don't, we still want the inputs to be correct. So I think what we do here is we go capture code via localhost. Boom. So I think that's the only case here that we can guarantee to have the code. So we are okay, and we go if capture code via localhost. Because otherwise it'll just be like okay, nothing. And then this one will be okay code. select code, story new. Actually, that means this is. If we make this none, make this sum. Yeah, so this returns a result of an optional string. Yeah. Okay, so wait, that should be fine, right? We'll return. I'll make this an else as well, actually. And we don't need the return here. This one's an error. Actually, yeah, so result is E. Wait. Can I go dot map and then we go, we don't care what we're mapping to. So we get rid of that. Like this, and then we just question mark it, and then we don't need a match anymore. Yeah, like that. Nice. Yeah, okay. So here we need to wait for the code. So we head back to where we commented out the code, which I don't remember where that was. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Oh no, here it is. No, this is the wrong one. This is what we're working on. Open browser. Here it is. So we do need to do that, but this one, this is what we need. Copy. Confusion. Where's my example? Yeah, here. So this one, authorization code. Yeah, okay. So paste. Listener accept. Okay, so this should be some of HTTP output, I believe. Mismatch type found result. String. Not what we're returning here. Option string. Okay, option string. Expected to be nothing. Okay. So this is code is equal to HTTP output. But it's not quite that, it's just close to it. And then this one is, well, actually, so if I just get rid of that entirely, but this here, yeah, okay. But this is not quite right, because if we head into open browser again, Did I do this? I think I did. Yeah, this is what I need. I need to grab the response and then grab the code, which is exactly this. So here we go, paste. Okay, so get rid of that. Where is it erroring? Mismatch types, expected end results, blah. What am I doing wrong? Cargo, build, release. 6 errors. Oh shit, I have a lot of weird errors going on. Wait, final references. So no redirect. Wait, is this the reference? Doesn't seem to be. This one is though, right? Because prompt user, open browser. Wait, what's wrong with this? Expected 6 arguments. Right, I got rid of this one. Right, okay. Get refresh tokens. There's no implicit flow. No implicit flow. Just gonna go. Okay. This is a big mess. Holy. Hello, Weeb and Tyrell. Welcome. This is the Z editor. Okay. Right. So. The Z editor. Yeah, I'll just link it. It's pretty fast to just link. Yep. There you go. Thank you. Wait, what are the remaining errors? Because this is confusing. This does not help. What is this? There's so many like inline errors. What did they do to it? Wait. Right, yeah. So this now returns something else completely. So I think what we're going to do is if we get rid of build from env only for now, because that's adding to errors without being useful, and probably just normal build too, right? Maybe build is fine. What's happening in here? So there's something big happening here. Yeah, okay. So open browser, this has auto open and browser URL like so. Fimsies. Right. Get implicit. Okay, we don't care about implicit. Thank you for watering me. Tasty. Explicitly returns nothing as its body. As its body has no tail or return expression back. Does it not? Oops. Um, so this here, if I go return, does that kind of fix it? No. Why not? T equals brackets. Oh, because of this. T equals brackets because of this. Oh. Oh, okay. So I guess we can't use question mark because we'll go map error. You know, that doesn't matter. I just return it as is. No, because it returns expected result option string found result results option string. Right. That doesn't make any sense at all. So we are if let if so browser is equal to this. If browser is okay, if it is okay, then we do all of this like planned. Else we return browser. Okay, that's fine. New is fine. This needs to be. Okay, so that's okay, none. This should be returning error of Twitch API or okay some. To string. Expected results option string found that. Okay, so this is. Actually, can I just question mark it there? No. Error.unwrap, I guess. Twitch API error. This is also a Twitch API error. Option E, where E is. Let me unwrap it. Oh. Um, What about just okay? Man, sometimes results are kind of annoying. Sometimes they're kind of annoying. Yeah, if I just go unwrap here, and then here we just go error, it's probably fine. Probably fine. Type annotations needed. No. We don't need that anymore. Or this. Nice. This needs to be a reference. We don't need to create the code there anymore. Okay, so yes. Let me add a comment here. So returns okay some code when capture code via local host is set and the redirect URL is localhost / same machine. Otherwise, deal with user inputting code manually. Say, nice. Nice. Okay, so we come back here. Okay, client ID, client secret, redirect URL. Oh, it no longer has. No, it does have open browser user prompt. Huh? Build example. All right. Prompt user. So prompt user. Open browser equals true. Then this is just token client ID, secret, and URL. Yeah, okay, so we do have prompt user. This no longer takes in manual input, right? Capture via localhost. Oh. Luna, hello. Early stream? Yeah. Yup. Yup. Redirect URL that contains localhost. Wait, so this is the code. So this is a potential code. Wait, do we just return? We just return early, or do we do something else here? These are fundamentally connected. But how do I make it useful? So if no, it has to return the result here, and we have to do this at a different time. Because basically, here we go. If let code is equal to potential code, otherwise do we return an error? That seems wrong. I don't think there's any other way. What does this return? It doesn't return anything. Let's go Twitch. No. Token builder error. Manually input authorization code. And then this one is OK of code, which means this becomes, what is this an error of? That's a Twitch API error. But here we go, error of token builder error, Twitch API error. Let's add that in, and that one too. Wait, no longer will we have to answer is this redirect URL and localhost. Also, the redirect could contain. That's true. It could also be 0000. Right? Yeah, it could. So that is true. Kinda like what I'm trying to do is separate it out so you have a terminal version that you can enable. You'd be like prompt by terminal or just like do things. But yeah, this one is definitely doable. Because like technically this, if you have it on a server and it has a web server thing and the port's open and all of that shenanigans, this should technically work as well. I'm not gonna bother testing it. But yeah. So this is no longer get user refresh tokens. This is generates authorization grant flow user token. Get authorization. Right, so this would be generate authorization code. And then this returns a result of string. Yeah, because that's when it has the code. Or it's a Twitch, no, token builder error. Mismatch types. Why? It's not a code. This doesn't return. That is also Google host, but IPv6. Can we even listen on IPv6? Okay. Redirect URL contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and then 1. Like that. Yeah, Elaine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Gig Amplify. Hello, Elaine. Thank you for the gig amplified fimshes. Holy. Yo, so many. What the? Oh. Oh. Yo.
Lane VT subscribed for a total of 13 months.
13!
Fimsh.
Shit. Really? 13? How is that possible? Insane.
Being an awesome, smart, and cute. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh.
Astrogens knows what's up. So cute, Lane. Yo, so many fimshes! And fireworks. Yo, that's sick. That's sick! Yo, I can't wait until we, like, create a proper snow shader later this stream. I hope. We might run out of time. It's possible we run out of time. But hopefully not. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine as well. Oh. Wait, so this is generate authorization code. It does not need secret key, question mark? It does not. Thank you for attending. It's been like that for ages. I need to put the proper thing in. Holy. Not the Engie. Not the Engie lane. Oh no. If you're willing to add the URL crate, you can do s localhost URL string bool if OK parsed is equal to URL parse matches host string. Oh, I see. I see. I don't want to mess with that at the moment. I don't even know if this is gonna work at this point. Because I've just changed like 600 billion things, and it's a gamble. It's a gamble. But yeah, maybe I'll look into that if you remind me once I have it working and verified. Okay, so yes. So this is not this anymore. This is generate authorate. No, not that one. Not that one. Generate authorization code. And we don't need secret anymore. And client ID redirect scopes open browser save. So this is code is equal to this. You'll probably be bored enough to send a PR. Yo, nice. Nice. Oh, we have an ad break. I'm gonna go to the toilet in the ad break, but it's not here just yet. Okay, so authorization code. This is where if it is okay and not okay. Okay, let's just match this. So an okay code is equal to this on error of token build error manually authorization code. We go well, actually no. Yeah, this is fine. So we go listen for input or manually set input. This is an example build, so when we do the Godot build, this will return to Godot, and Godot will handle getting the authorization code from the user, and then we'll set it. Anyway, add time, BRB. Hello. 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 Yeah, okay, so for Godot, this will be returned like yeah, in Godot's case, this will be returned to the Godot side, so its build will have earlier returns, and then we'll get Godot UI to pop up to do this. And this is build example just generally. That's fine. Yo, what the thank you for the follow. uh yeah. Okay, that works good. Because here, this would be like if it's in Rust and we're doing a terminal thing, this is where we'd do the prompt for like input it manually. So it's like prompt. Do I have the prompt example somewhere? No. No, I do not. No, I don't know. It should be just get create no prompt. Yeah, create no prompt. No, it's not get create no prompt. That's not right. Get input. Yeah, it's like this. It's like this basically. Okay. Here. Authorization code. So token. Not client secret though. Code. Oh, this is the code. So the mut authorization code is equal to string. Here, authorization code is equal to code. This one is authorization code is equal to get input. But before get input, we have links input authorization is input generated authorization code from browser URL save. Okay, that's good. What's going on here? Did I forget something? Right. We have more error problems. So if we have an error of a different kind, then we just return E. Right? Can I return E question mark? How do I like get it to just be like the error? Wait, does that just do the no? So the error is the right type. I just need to like I don't know. Oh, it's fine. It's fine like that. Okay. Okay, so authorization code not used. That's fine. Because after authorization code, we go generate get user and refresh token. User token and refresh token from authorization code. Yes, this is what we do now. So token.client ID, token.client secret, authorization code, and then the redirect URL. Yo, hello. Yeah, it is a long ass name for a function. It's correct. Hella long. Okay, so what does this return? A result of a string, which would be the two tokens. Okay, let's have a look on the inside. So first things first is this into string bullshit can go away. I hate it. It was a mistake. Oops, it was a mistake. Looks like this was also a mistake. There we go, fine. Yeah, see now we don't have to get rid of, we don't have to do .n2s for everything. Nice. Okay, so yeah, so it either returns everything or it doesn't, which is good. I'm just making sure we don't have any prompts anywhere along the way. Nice. Okay, Pog. So here we go. Let's. Can I just question mark this? And then here, this is user token and refresh token? Question mark? Oh, he doesn't like that. Arguments to function incorrect. That is because we need to reference everything. Save. Cannot be annotated with question mark because it has type results. That. Wait, why not? Twitch API error. Oh, because this is a token build error. Ah, I see. So map error token build error Twitch API error question mark. Oops. Yo, I did it. I did the question marking. Yo. I have forever avoided question marks, but now I'm embracing. Now I'm embracing. So this is now user token is equal to user token and token dot refresh token is equal to refresh token, save, then we make sure it works and we get the user ID, and if it does, otherwise invalid client ID or secret. Yeah, I guess that's what happens here. Although it will work. Because like at the moment we're also not skipping, we're not exiting early if it already exists. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, at this point we're okay, we're done, okay? That's the easy path. So I don't think we need prompt user anymore. Authorization code, we don't need to set it, I think is what it's telling us. Which means it also does not need to be mutable. Okay, let me get rid of this build for now. Build example. Generate authorization code. Does this presume client ID? Yeah, this presumes we already have a client. No, this will return. Let's try this. Okay, so we'll have build and then we go carb fn build. Let's go. Let's just call it manual. But it's going to be like almost identical. Maybe I can handle this better. Because if it's going to be almost identical, then like we just need like a little change. Anyway, so we're going to paste this here. We will just return error. I think that's the only change. I think it's just here. Well, I have more prompts to do in the other path, but that's fine. What's wrong with this? Wait, why does this have an error now? I don't get it. Cannot find function get user. What? Generate user token. We don't use this, do we? Well, I think we do actually, but I forgot to. What is going on? So we get rid of this. We go save, build manual. Okay, that's good. That's fine. Okay, nice. Okay, get user and refresh token. Yeah, so we don't need this. Actually, we may, but like, we'll get back to that if we do. So yeah, my subscriptions to token. Yeah, okay. So this is where it's like, well, what are we using for getting the tokens now? Get user refresh token from authorization code. Right. And then this one that we just commented out will be from refresh token, which is what I think it was called. Generate user tokens. Let's call it something else. Go pub fn generate user token from refresh token. Do I want to bring the yeah, what? Hello? What? Why did my tracking die? Oh, this was happening last time. Yo, I should just finish my tracking in Rust in Bevy so that it doesn't get fucked like it keeps doing. And you know, save the RAM. Save the RAM! Self. Yo, I might be hungry. Holy moly. The builder. Why would we want the builder to do this? I don't think we want the builder to be able to do this. Wait, what are we using it in here for? We want. What am I even doing? Save. We come back here. Can't find get result and refresh the consistency, right? Because we changed it to. Wait, what does this use? Oops. Open browser. We don't deal with scopes yet. Oh shit, we don't deal with scopes yet. Manual build. No, this is fine because this just verifies everything works, and then yeah. Oh, send chat message. this right? We don't have any scopes here. Generate authorization code. See, this is only required later. This gets the user refresh tokens based on new subscription. This says redirect URL with open browser, which would use the code, although the code is automatic. High subscriptions to tokens. How the fuck did I do? How did this work? Get user and refresh tokens. Yeah, I guess we generate authorization code. I guess we just yoink. This. No, we have a refresh token. If we have a refresh token, can we define a new scope? Is this something we can do? Which event stop? Reference refresh. No. Is it under Twitch API? Refresh. Get channel I calendar. Yo, what the? Oops. Open. Get subscriptions. Webhooks can use. This is not it. Confusion. Processing an event. Revoking a subscription. Subscriptions don't expire, but Twitch may revoke them. Twitch revokes your subscription in the following cases. The user mentioned in the subscription no longer user revoked authorization. Callback failed to respond in a timely manner. The notification is set to notification. That's fine. This is also fine. Go to your CLI to test. You'll need to create an SSL server on port 443 and then create a subscription since load. Yeah, what the? I forgot what I was looking for. Um, that doesn't help. Managing subscriptions. This is fine. Oh shit. Oh no, they have a hype train V2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti. Spaghetti. Automatic reward redemption V2. What does this have in it? An example is highlighted message. That's it. Is that it? Is it just like it's just the same as one? This is one, right? Send highlighted message. V2 also send highlight message. Wait, what's different? Channel points, emote, the cost, emote. Oh. Channel points, emote. How does that work? Oh, and it also has message split into fragments and stuff. Rather than this. Yeah. Okay, so it's just reward and message, but they've changed it a little bit. Okay, that's fine. We don't have any of this shared stuff. Why does this still have new on it? Channel bits used. Notification is sent whenever bits are used on a channel. Yo, what the? Yo, this is Giga. Yo, this is what we need. This is what we've been like missing. Yo, Twitch is finally getting their shit together. Will not admit when a streamer uses power up for free in their own channel. Yo, sends combos. I don't know what a combo is, but nice. Nice. This is much needed. Much needed. Oh man, we have so much to add. So much has been happening. Where's my changelog? Yeah, so this was last month. Holy. Get event subs. Get channel. Okay, how far behind am I? Okay, this is the one I remember. So the month before June, we have channel bits used and also gets event subscriptions. That's fine. High level information of drops, expanded FAQs, that's fine. Yeah, here, so V1 following event subscriptions have been deprecated. V2 versions are now available for migrations. Yeah, so hype train, begin, progress, and end. Oh, I see. I see. Understanding. Okay, cool. We need to implement those, but not right now. Not right now. What I need to know is how do we... Where's the whole authorization thing? This one, authentication. Validate, readme. How to validate a token. I should do this. Do I not already do this? Well, it's clearly not what I'm doing. So we got a code, we get user token, refresh token. Here we should do validate token. We don't have validate. Validate token. Token S. This is and string. Thank you very much. Nice. We head back to the builder, I think. Yeah, validate token. If the okay valid. Valid dot validation. Right, so it's either 401 or if the status is some. But also there's scopes. There's also scopes. Okay. Yeah, if it is none, then it is valid, else it is not valid. not valid. Token.user token. Dong Spren. Hello. Hi. Holy indeed. Holy. Okay, so yeah, my brain is having trouble getting around this. Why is it having trouble? So this would return error, not token. Yeah, token build error. And then this will be invalid user token. Same here. And then if it is valid, we just continue. We just continue as if nothing happens. So yo. Hello. Hello. Thank you for the raid. If else. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Hello, Azure Empress. Hello. I hope your stream went well. I hope it went well. Welcome. What did you up to? Did you have anything you want to share or talk about what you did? You're playing Frostpunk too. Yo, nice. Did you survive the winter? I'm pretty sure that's the one where you have like a. I'm gonna go with oil rig because I don't really know what it is, and it's really cold, and there's a lot of like weather effects going on. You have to like manage your people as well as food. You wiped? Oh no. Book of Neat, welcome. Okay, so this is okay. Does this help us? Because this is building the tokens, which we just need to make sure it's valid, but we don't need the scope yet. Complicated. So he decided to jump straight into the hardest mode. Holy, you're a game. Yeah, I've started playing games in like, I don't know, for the longest time. Sorry, I dropped a battery and I can't manage to pick it up fully. For the longest time, I was like, yeah, I'll play games on like either the slightly harder difficulty or the hardest. But these days, I've gotten lazy. I've been choosing either usually just the normal difficulties and then calling it a day. I've become soft and squishy. Azure is absolute. Yeah, sounds it. Jumping into hard mode. Holy. Well, that I guess like the main thing is, did you have fun? Was it fun getting wiped? Did you learn? Is your next run? Are you keen for the next run with the information you have learned? Squishy? Yeah, squishy. Nice. Yeah. Well, that's what matters at the end of the day. Having fun. Unlike what my brain is trying to do at the moment, I just want a simple build function that will get us to where we need with the tokens, which actually, I think this might be it. Because like I think at this point the token is built and then the actual subscribing comes later. Yeah, okay, so we do use the validate token function here. And then we do, yep, okay. Okay, that's good. This is good to know. So yeah, oh, my voice, what the? Okay, so we build the token. Yeah, so this is what we've removed and we need to reopen it. So apply subscriptions to tokens. Oh, that's what I was looking at. So if we have a refresh token, yo, why is this so bright? This is just too bright. Scopes. I didn't want scopes. There's IRC chat scopes. Oh, there is too. Growth tokens. Yes, but like, how do I generate from a refresh token? Because the whole point of a refresh token is that you can create a new one. Device flow, device grant code, that's fine. Okay, refresh token, it is here. Hey, thanks for the follow, Pog. Okay, none of that helped with refreshing token. Getting OAuth to using OIDC. What is OIDC? OpenID Connect. Yeah, this is new. OpenID Connect is an interoperable authentication protocol based on OAuth 2 framework specifications. What the? They're adding more complexity? Rainbow fimsh. This is interesting. Refreshing access tokens. Yeah, this is what we needed. This is what we needed. Okay. Refreshing access expires in, although it expires, that's fine. Internet access, yeah, that's fine. Can I refresh it? Yeah, that's fine. Also, example JSON Twitch token endpoint returns the includes access token, refresh token. Yeah, so this is what it returns. That's fine. You have to go to sleep. Oh, good. Have a good sleep. Thanks for joining Azure's Empress and the follow. Thank you for the luck. Do I upload my VODs to YouTube? One better. Not only do I upload them, I streamed to the YouTube. Godot, is that an Ace Attorney reference? Yo, how late to that message am I? 5 minutes. I wish it was an Ace Attorney message reference. Godot is the game engine editor for making games. But that is a good reference, Godot. So yeah, the simple answer is I do. The VODs are on the YouTubes. It is on the YouTubes. Yeah. You didn't see the link on channel description. Is it not there? I swear I've added this like 5 times. Yeah. I'm gonna be mad at myself in a second. Is it not there? Like, surely I finally put it there. Yeah, maybe I just forgot again. Maybe I just forgot again. It's loading. Yo, it's not there. Yo, you're right. Shit. Why is it? Holy moly. Holy moly. Yeah, my actual the link to my actual page is also not here. Yo, what? I have a cool page and everything. Like I have a manual link tree page thing that links to everything. Yo, what the? How is it not there? Pain. Painful. Yeah, so I guess I'll just go how do I create a dashboard? Yo, maybe I should just do this later because like holy trying to find stuff. Complicated. Oh yeah, here we are. Links. Add. Link URL. Uh uh link tree legally distinct. Legally distinct link tree. Okay. I should probably just put my YouTube right on there anyway. Where does this point to? Streams. Oh yeah, that's cool. Fimshies. Ah shit. It's the same. I need to fix that. I need to fix that. The icons are wrong. They're wrong. Oh, I'm gonna only have 5 socials. That's okay. Thank you for pointing that out though. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Nice. We do this with this. YouTube. YouTube. And yeah, okay. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I fixed some of it. I'll fix the rest later. Oh, it's my stream. What the? Yeah, I didn't know this thing came out like this. That's very obtrusive. Like, I made it not autoplay because that's a bit rude. I didn't know it did this. This is new. They added new UI here. Weird. Good night. Good night, good night. Okay, how to use a refresh. To refresh a user token, right, yeah, you just do this, but it doesn't come with, you can't specify a new scope. Okay, nice. Handling token refreshes in a multi-threaded at any point, the maximum number of valid access tokens that a refresh token can be associated with is 50. Holy. 50, that's insane. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Okay, so we basically have to go through the whole process to get a new scope, which is why I've done it this way. All right. Apply subscriptions to tokens. So it's this. Okay. I'm not liking this, honestly. Generate authorization code. That doesn't need client secret though. Or this does though. Because I guess we kind of just need like this part. We just need all of this part. And then I guess, well, yeah, it's just like all of this again, but we don't load it from ENV. We do everything except for loading it from ENV. This seems wrong. Well, maybe it's not wrong. Maybe it's not wrong. So I just cut this out, right? And then we go, here's the token. The token itself would be here, paste, we go fn generate user and refresh tokens like so. But then this one is and not self. It does return a option of what would it be an option of? Option of token not handler. Token build error. Generate authorization code. Yeah, so this would be self.client ID. We do have client ID still, right? Self.redirect URL. Yep. Self.isBot. We go scopes. And here we just go scopes. Okay, so instead of error E, it's sum of E. That's fine. We put that. This is self, self, self. Instead of that is dot OK is option of T, but we want dot error. Well, like we don't though. Oh, this one becomes complicated. Come back to that one. Self, self, validating self. Can we not do that already? Self dot validate? No. This is some. Also some. Yeah, this just feels so scuffed though. I don't like it. Some. What's going on here? Mismatched types? What do you mean, mismatched types? Oh, this is just okay, get input. We just need to make that public, I guess. So that's everything. So if we go back to Builder, here we can then go open dot generate. Yeah, it's just that, right? And then the scopes is if self dot is bot else vector nothing. And this is subscription. Get subscriptions for bot. But this is a question mark. Wait, this returns the sum, right? It's an option. Here we go. If let sum. Wait. This can be. What else? Option results. Here we go. If let sum error. Here, just return error. Returns an option. When do I not return an option? Oh, the question mark right in the middle. Use the OK. Nice. Still have an error. Right, so this is now right, we don't save it anymore though. We do need to save it at some point. So I guess just like we just have a save function. FN save and let's sort your env handler, save env handler, save user token, env handler, save refresh token, self dot this one is self dot user token env. This one is self dot refresh token env. This one should be I think it's just env. We don't actually have that anywhere. Software client ID, software client secret, Twitch ID, direct URL, user token, oops, refresh token. Wait, so why does token not have any env file inside of it? Spin. We already have a save command for token handler. Okay. These all need to be references. Same here. Okay, so we head back to the builder. This one. So env is self.env file.com. Nice. Okay. Env handler builder. Okay, so at what point? So you load from env, generate this. Right, so here we'll go if validate token dot id if that's some validation. Here we go, if validation dot status is is none, means it is valid, and then we can do whatever else. So we go if token dot refresh token is empty, but like we want is not empty. Sky Gray, hello. Hello. What is wrong with this? As a result, return type. Okay, so we check the client ID. If it status is none, is okay, and then we can just go return token, I believe. Otherwise, we try to generate get generate request ROM refresh no generate user token from refresh token. Yeah, this is what we need. This is if this result is okay, then we can also return token. What does this take in though? This takes in just self. Oh, it's fine. What is this? This is a result. So okay of token, and this is also okay of token. And if neither of those happen, we generate user refresh tokens from this, and then we return it. Okay, that's good. Oh, we need a save. Hang on. Okay, so we loaded from file. If this happens, we don't need to save. Here, we should save. And then here, we should also save. because we generated new ones. Then we come over to library, and when we when we do this, and we validate all of this, then we save here. So we're selected save. I think that's fine. Okay, so that means builder is done, and then build manual is not done. Or is build manual done too? I think build manual might be done too. Hang on. We do this. Builder. Let's just save this. Let's build it. Because we haven't built it or tested anything in a long time. And we've made so many changes. Okay, here. So this save, we don't care about anymore. Because that env file should be set here. Yeah, env file. Yep, that's fine. Override redirect URL. That's also fine. Wait, let's just use this how we're meant to use it, and then see where we went wrong. We're like this, and we're let mutt token builder, token handler builder new. Yeah, and then we grab these two. I don't know if I put the override in, but that's something we'll find out in a second. And then here we'll just go build, and instead of this, actually, we will go match. If it's okay, we have the token. That's fine. If it's an error, what kind of error was it? If the error was token, match in. There's a token build error of in build yo, what did I call this error type? Error token builder error. Did I not expose it? Did I not expose it? Token builder errors here. I don't have any publics here. Pub. Oh, here. Token builder error. Save. Which means we move it out of here. That's fine. Come back here. Yeah, so matching E, which is public token builder error. Line ID not set. Token builder error. Line secret not set. Actually, hang on, we can just get this to fill out the arms, I think. You know that. Look at that. Okay, so here we go. If client ID is not set, we do this. Well, actually, we just go and we try to keep the secret there if we have the secret. This one's the same. Well, yeah, so this is none. This one is some self.token client secret. Incorrect redirector URL. I will need to do something unique here. And do something unique. env does not exist. Env does not exist. Do nothing. I don't remember why this is here. Invalid client ID or secret, so I think we just create the prompt again. Self.create pop up none. I need the input authorization code. Yeah, so this is another section where we go do something unique. Now :3 Twitch API error. This will just be a panic for now. Twitch error. Invalid user token. When would we get this? When would we get this? I don't actually know. Panic. Why did this happen? Okay, but if it is successful, then well, like, yeah, so we go return save. Okay, this is the token here, so let token token is equal to new token. Yeah, okay, let's see how that goes then. Yep, time to build it. 181. Right, this doesn't need that anymore. Uh, 181. Where was this? Oh, under Twitch event sub. New. It doesn't have. All right, so this would be tokens dot. Dot nothing. Dot nothing. Clone uninit. Uh-oh. Not the uninit. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to get to the shaders today. Oh no. Oh no. How did I do this before? Oh, it's just a public function here. Because it would be generate from authorization code. That's not what we want. How did we do it just now? I swear we just did this, and I was like, yeah, that's easy. Because we have to pass in the tokens. Subscriptions. Yeah, self. Generate user and refresh tokens with scopes. Okay. Here we go. Tokens.generate. Yo, thank you. Thank you for the water. Am I not exporting it? Like what's going on here? So copy, paste, subscriptions. Oh, it's private. It's private. Oh no. No longer is it private. It needs to be a lowercase s. Okay, can I find value subscriptions? Oh, it's with an S. Subscriptions. Multiple of them. Okay, built. Time to refresh this. Oh, did I even build the Godot one? I don't think I even built the Godot one. Godot. Godot build release. I didn't even build the Godot one. Godot one's broken. What did I do to you, Godot? Oh, it pop up. Right. I just need to go. Let secrets is equal to this. No, it should be ID. What am I doing? Wait, ID. I just clone it, yeah? Or do I have to put it in its own thing? Oh, I can just clone it then. Nice. Let's try again. Build. Building. Okay, I expect this to fail. Okay, so give me this, which is expected, I guess. Let me fill it out then. Why did I have this open? I remember I had the keys and stuff open. Oh yeah, I found it. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay. This is client ID is wrong. Okay. Yeah, we're just getting client IDs wrong every time for some reason. Oh no. If I do the secret, oops. If I do the secret now as well. Okay, yep. I don't know. I'm done for today. I need to finish up soon anyway. Oh, we got close. We're close. We're so close. Infuriatingly close, but like the rest of the tweaks actually require quite a bit of work to like have it work on both Godot and our end. So it's gonna be a hot minute. It's gonna be a hot minute before that happens. Yeah. I think mm, 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 mm. I think we're done. I am done. Thank you everyone for coming and hanging out. Hopefully my streams will be more
Oh
often.
no, oh no. Not the dumb.
Not the dumb.
Not the dummy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all, and I'll see everyone next time. Bye bye.